Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my Ashes Collectibles channel. So today we got another unboxing that we're gonna do for diecast cars. Yeah, so today is it's a huge box. It's not from Walmart, it's from Whatnot, but I believe the seller just like packed it in Walmart box. And I appreciate him like recycling it like that, like reusing the boxes that's already in his place for for new orders. Like I really genuinely I'm eco-conscious and I'm like that. So yeah, let me try to open this up and we can go over it together what we have received today. It's gonna be diecast cars, it's gonna be Hot Wheels, it's gonna be Kaido House, it's gonna be Mini GD, and maybe some green light as well. Let's see. I just got back from a vacation in California. I went there to visit my cousin sister, and yeah, I ordered these before I left, so I kind of forgot what I have ordered because it's been almost like 15 days now. And yeah, look at this order. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. What? The package looked really nice. Oh, it's in gift wrapping too. That's nice. That's nice. Let's go through it one by one. I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna take it from them one by one, okay? So we have this. That's our first unboxing. Oh, it's gonna be Hot Wheels. It's Hot Wheels Premium. Let's go. They taped it up real good. I see some Fast and Furious right there. I'm excited. I don't really like buy it on impulse buys. I make sure I get a good deal if I'm gonna purchase a lot. And this seller was, I believe, he's selling his whole collection and he was giving like really good deals. So I couldn't just help myself from getting quite a few, as you can see. Okay, I'll just keep them here and we can go one by one. So first off, we have the Fast and Furious. Let me turn on my flashlight so we get more. Oh, looks like I'm out of all. Looks like I'm out of charge in my flashlight. All right. Anyways, let's see what we have. We have the Dodge Charger, all black. That's nice. Completely blacked out. Fast and Furious, 4 out of 5. It's not a chase, but it looks phenomenal though. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have, let me guess, I believe it might be the Porsche. Oh, it's a Camaro. I like the paint job on this. Funny thing, I'm gonna give this as a gift to my girlfriend because her last name is Lucas, and it says Lucas right there, Lucas Oil Products. I don't really know what that is, but that's the reason why I got this one. Yeah, so we have that one. Let me just keep it right here. And what do we have here? Ooh, I know what it is. It's gonna be this one right here, custom Chevy. Yep, there we go. It's a custom Chevy Sweethearts. I didn't really want to buy this, but then he was giving a really good deal. I think he gave it to me for like $3 or something like that. So I was like, why not? And it's pretty heavy, like heavier than other premiums. It says 2011. This is pretty old. And then we have the Lancia Stratos Group 5. Honestly, I don't really know about this car much, but I just thought it's a really cool casting and I picked it up. It looks really cool. Like, I really like the way it looks. Oh, it says Lancia in the back. It's a Boulevard 29. Wow. This is pretty old. I believe right now we're in the range of like 105, 106, I think. I like it. And then we have the 50th anniversary. I collect this color, like this, like the Gulf. Oh, it's a little dusty, but that's okay. Oh, it is scratched up right there, but yeah, it's the 50th anniversary, and I collect the Gulf decals, the orange and blue. It's a Ford, it's a '65 Ford Galaxy. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it right here. Maybe move them towards the side. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna get next. I think everyone who watches this video, leave down a comment telling me 2 of your favorite Hot Wheels Premium that we're gonna unbox in this video. Okay, so we know it's a Hot Wheels Boulevard. It's a Pontiac Firebird. Nice. This is gonna be a gift for my girlfriend as well. She drives a Pontiac. So and hot. Oh, it's an open hood. That's cool. Yeah, Valentine's Day is gonna come. It's just around the corner. I think it's like a week out. So yeah, I'm gonna create a small basket for her and then give this for her. Oh, you know what's interesting? This is 27. That's 29. I'm just missing 28. I love the color of raw metal. The silver really shines. Let's take a closer look at that front hood right there. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Moving on, we have a shell. Let me remove this note, post-it note that's there. We have a Dodge Little Red Express. That's cool. In shell color, that's nice. The base is metal, the top is metal, everything's metal. And look at this, the artwork on this looks a little rustic. It's clean, I promise you, it's pretty clean. It looks a little dusty, but that's just the artwork for this Hot Wheels Premium. 78 Dodge Little Red Express. And then we have a Corvette drag racer. Wow, this looks phenomenal. It's number 51 in Hot Wheels Boulevard. The artwork looks sick. And the decals, my god. This casting is like nothing I have ever seen before, and it has some thing in the front. You see that pokey thing? I don't know what that's used for. If you know what that's used for, please leave a comment, and I would love to hear about it. You see the engine popping up from the hood. Speed Society. The decals say Hot Wheels. It just says Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels. I'm so happy with this unboxing. If you can tell, I'm like really happy with this unboxing. These are some sick cars. Okay, next up we have Hot Wheels Basic, but the castings are not basic. We have the Porsche Carrera. It's an old box, old style box. Porsche Hot Carrera, and it's I believe it's not metal, but it feels like metal, and it's pretty heavy. It weighs as much as the premiums. But yeah, we got the Hot Wheels Carrera, and then we got a Pontiac GTO convertible. Okay. And then we have some more. Oh, I can see these are all M2s. Let's see what we have. First up, we have the Shelby. It looks pretty. It's a Shelby GT500 from 1967. Wow, it's nice. I like the color. I'm so glad I got this one. Shelby Racing Team. And then we have, oopsie, and then we have the Dodge Charger Daytona in brown. Oh, it's sparkly. It's so sparkly. And it says only at Walmart. Limited production, 4,000 pieces worldwide. Oh, that's nice. "42 individual parts." Wow. Diecast body, separate headlights, opening doors, real chrome bumpers, separate hood, rubber tires, the whole shebang. Okay, we have, oh, a rusted truck. A stud breaker 2R truck. Does this have 42 parts as well? Okay, it does not say, but I really like how they have done the paint on this. It's not, it looks rustic, but it's obviously not rusted. 6,500 pieces worldwide. If you have something similar, shout out in the comment. Let me know. We are, we have the same collection. We have the same item in our collection. I like this. I'm probably going to open all of them, and then I'm not going to keep them in the paper boxes, but I'm going to keep this. I'm going to open it up, open all the doors and the hoods, and then put the case back on. Okay, finally, let's see what we have. The last one from M2. We have the Chevy Corvette with the hood open already. Oh, this one shines too. It's like sparkly blue color. 4,000 pieces worldwide. That's even better, and only at Walmart. That's nice. Yeah, it says 42 individual parts. Nice. Oh, what is that on the side? You see that? Is that a broken door? What? Or maybe the door's open? I don't have no idea. The door's closed this side, but not sure what happened on the other side. Guess we have to check it out later. But yeah. So we have empty machines right here. This is a huge order, like you can see. A huge order. Oh. They have given me this on the side. It says speed breaker, but the decals are not the same. You see, it does not say Hot Wheels. It just says Speed Society. This is the same casting from what we have seen earlier a few minutes ago. But oh, it does say Hot Wheels, but not like how it says earlier. We can do a comparison. You see, it just says like I see a H and a O right here. Let's see what the other one was like. It says Hot Wheels in like a much smaller font. Which one do you like, number 51 or number 26? I'm gonna go with number 51. I like the lighter blue. But this one looks nice too, because this blue right here is like sparkly. It has those little glitter on it. But yeah, let's see what we have next. This is the final package, and I believe this is gonna be like basic. Like all of them are like basic. We have a Chevy Beetle that's a little rusted. And then we have a Ford GT40 in the Gulf color. That's nice. Like I said, I collect Gulf colors. So we have one Gulf right here, and then we have one more right here. So yeah, that's nice. And then finally, these are the last two from... And these are the last two that we have. Let's see what that is. So we have a Mazda RX-7 in green. And a Lamborghini Miura in orange. Let me go through the package and see if I'm missing anything. Looks like the whole thing is empty. It just has a little bit of the packaging, but that's it. Some gift wrap packaging. My bill. Yeah, so this is the whole order that we have. Let's go through that one last time, really quick. So let's do the M2s first. We have the rusted truck right here, and we have the Chevy Corvette, and we have Dodge Charger Daytona, and the Shelby GT500 in green. Okay, and what basic car do we have? We have the Hot Wheels Beetle Rusted. We have Ford GT in the Gulf color, Lamborghini Miura, a Mazda RX-7, a Porsche Carrera, and a Pontiac GTO. Okay, and these are our premium pickups. We have the Gulf color Ford Galaxy. We have the Lancia. We have this funny little thing, custom Chevy in Sweethearts. A Ford off-road Camaro. A Dodge Charger in black. The golden wheels look really nice with the black. And we have the Corvette Drag Racer in small Hot Wheels decals. And we have same casting in little larger font Hot Wheels decals. And we have the Dodge Little Red Express. That's not red. And finally, a custom Pontiac in raw metal color. Well, thank you all for joining in. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of these unboxings for my collections. I don't do just Hot Wheels. I like Hot Wheels, Pokemons. I like just collecting Legos, just random things that make me happy, you know. It doesn't have to break the bank. But I like collecting things, and I hope you can join me in this journey and we can explore and I can show you the things that I collect over the years. So please leave a subscribe, and I would like to see you here again. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment on 2 of your favorite cars that we have seen in this unboxing. Okay? Alright, hope you all have a wonderful day ahead. Good morning, good afternoon, and a good night. Peace. Bye.